Huh. Here's something. Okay. Listen to this crunch. You hear that or not?
Yep.
What does that crunch sound mean? Oh, see, this is a sash that's not going to make it. You got all this paint buildup, okay? And that paint buildup interferes with the proper function. And so we're going to scrape a little bit of it off. I mean, I'm going to make a new sash, so this really isn't really necessary, but it'll help me know where to put the stop on, okay? So that's what this next move is. Double knot here. Single knot here. Oh, all this termite stuff just came off. There. Okay, so now I'm gonna put my stop back here on this side. Yeah, I think I will. Maybe I'll just put them in place for a minute. Yeah. Let's see. Okay. Well. This is the stop that goes on my left, right? As you can see all the buildup on it. Okay. I'm going to take my scraper and scrape some of that off of there. Okay. Inch and 8 by 7/16. Yeah. Here. Okay. Nice. Okay. All right, so this is just a sanding block here. Help to continue to blend things in, because that old paint, after it builds up after year after year after year, it begins to become really, really muddy. So you try to kind of redefine the lines. Well, this also works to flatten it too, right? All that scraping I was doing, you know, I was taking off all these high spots. So that's what I'm doing, feeling here, making sure everything is as flat as is practical. Oh, see, it helps me find little nails and stuff. So I better set that. So like, see this corner here? See, I'm just gonna sand that corner down. Lots of little details. So.